The previous devices from Honor, the Honor 6X and the Honor 7X, have been really popular smartphones in India. So when the Honor 8X was announced, I was obviously excited to check it out. Well, the Honor 8X has arrived in India, and let's quickly have a look at it. Hey guys, this is the new Honor 8X smartphone. At first, it seems like a usual Honor smartphones from the recent past, and that's not a bad thing at all. There's a metal frame and a nice glass back which screams premium build quality, especially in the blue color variant. And as you can see, there's a new strip that's differentiating from the blue color, and that looks really cool, and there's no doubt that the Honor 8X is a looker. At the front, the Honor 8X has a small notch which you can hide, and even though there's a chin at the bottom that's very small, and we think it's the smallest chin on an LCD featuring Android smartphones, and it gives a 91% screen to body ratio. The device has a massive 6.5-inch IPS LCD display that comes with a fairly powerful octa-core Kirin 710 processor, which has a GPU turbo boost technology as well. And in terms of storage, the device features up to 120 gigabytes of internal storage and up to 6 gigabytes of internal RAM, and that's because there are multiple variants that would be announced for this smartphone. The Honor 8X runs on EMUI 8.2 that's based on Android 8.1 Oreo. Talking about the cameras, at the back there's a 20 megapixel f1.8 primary sensor with a 2 megapixel depth sensor which can shoot videos up to 1080p, and there's no support for 4K video recording, and that's disappointing as there is no EIS or OIS either. You do have ample of shooting modes like AI mode, night portrait mode, and many more. At the front, there's a 16 megapixel f2.0 front facing selfie camera which seems fair enough. The Honor 8X comes with a 3750 mAh of battery, which sounds good and could handle a moderate day-to-day performance as well, but we need to test it out. At the bottom there is a micro USB port to charge the device, and unfortunately there is no USB Type-C in this as well. So that's a quick look at the new Honor 8X smartphone that launches in India next week, and we think that the phone will be priced somewhere around 20,000 most probably, and it has a premium build quality and beautiful design. The Honor 8X could give tough competition to the Poco F1 smartphone. So what do you think about the Honor 8X smartphone? Do use the comment section below and let us know. Like the video if you like it, and please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Thanks for watching. This was Akhil from Installernaut, and stay tuned for more such videos.